Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video, I will be using the Norvina Volume 3 palette, and how stunning is this packaging? Like, I'm a sucker for butterflies. My name, Vanessa, actually means butterfly. So this is right up my alley. This palette is absolutely stunning. This is what it looks like on the inside. It is a Sephora exclusive. You could also get it at the ABH website. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look using this gorgeous palette, make sure you keep on watching. I'm so excited to finally be using today the new Norvina Volume 3 palette. I asked you guys on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Follow me right now, but then come back here. So I asked you guys on Instagram what look I should do using this palette, and a lot of you guys recommended the greens and like the pinks and purples. So I'm gonna just mix some of those shades together and we'll see what we come up with. Everybody voted for this one. It looks very bright yellow on camera, but it's like a lime green kind of shade, and I'm excited for this one because that's one of the ones I wanted to use too. So I'm glad that you guys wanted me to use that as well. I feel like I'm talking too much, so let's start off with that exact lime green shade I just pointed to as my transition shade. Alright, so I'm noticing that on camera and on my lid it looks yellow, but on the pan it looks neon, like lime green. So I am a little upset, not even gonna lie. Yellow this looks when I was expecting like a green. So now like my whole idea of where I was gonna go with this look has changed, but I'm just going to try and wing it. Now I'm gonna go into this green right here. Wow, you guys, so truthfully, what this green looks like on top of this yellow is what I expected the yellow to look like. I'm gonna go into this green shade. It's the tiniest bit darker than the one I just applied, so I'm gonna apply that. So I cut my crease off camera because you guys have seen me do this a bunch of times. Y'all already know I'm a cut crease whore, whatever. Now on the lid, we're gonna go in with this shimmery green shade. This shade is so stunning. Now you guys are gonna be probably mad at me because I want to go into the Volume 2 palette really quickly because they have this beautiful green shade right here that I want to apply towards the end of the eye. I'm sorry, I know I was trying to stick to just using Volume 3, but this is just one shade, just one. So I did do some wings off camera, and I also applied some glitter liner, and now we're gonna move on to the face, and I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Praline. For concealer, I'm using the Dose of Colors concealer in the shade 17. So I am going to be blending out my concealer with a brush today. This is the Morphe M173. So I just set my under eyes with the Huda Beauty Pound Cake Setting Powder, and then the rest of my face with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And now I'm going to line my waterline with the Urban Decay Precision Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Perversion. So that looks messy, I know, but it's okay because I'm about to set it with some black shadow. So I'm gonna use this pinky purple color on my lower lash line. So for inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go into this yellow gold right here. It looks white on camera, but it's yellow gold, I promise. Alright, so now it's time to contour, and I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D Shade Light Contour Palette, and I'm gonna be using these two shades. So now I'm gonna bronze using the NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Medium. So now for blush, I'm gonna use the Colourpop Kissin Frog blush. I'm gonna be using the Milk Makeup Flex Blitzed highlighter. So this is what this eye is looking like with the lashes. What do you guys think? Honestly, I'm not sure if I like it, simply because I feel like I was trying to go a different route and then accidentally went the wrong way and then took a left turn, then a right turn, then I had to reverse, then I don't know what happened. So let me know if you guys like it. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I feel like maybe I probably would like it more if I had done a neutral look, simply because it probably would have matched like my clothes better. But what do you guys think? So I am going to line my lips now with the Makeup Forever Versatile Chestnut lip liner. So now for lips, I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics Bare Velvet Lipstick. So this is the finished look. I do have videos using the other two palettes up on my channel right now. I will link those down below. But if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.